Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how you can use Calendly to schedule a meeting. So without further ado, let's get started. So firstly what you need to do is simply click on the create button and then you can click on any of the option. We are just going to click on the one-off meeting option here. Okay, so from here, I'm just going to click on the event type option. So as you can see, there are 4 options available here. You can choose one-on-one, you can choose the group option, you can choose the collective option. Most people use the one-on-one option while using Calendly, so I'm just going to click on that. Okay, from here you can type the event name. You can type whatever name you want, but it's mandatory to write the name. Okay, so I'm just going to type a random thing here, my meeting. And from the below option you can add the location, you can add the phone call. If it's a Zoom call, you can add the Zoom. Or it's a custom location, you can simply choose the custom. I'm just going to click on Google Meet option here. Okay, so I will just leave it as it is, or maybe just choose Google Meet option. Alright, you can type a summary here or detail that your invitee should know. You can type description or instruction that you want to type. I will just type this is a meeting. You can also turn it in bold font or you can turn italic. From here you can change the event link, you can change the color, event color. Simply click on next. And as you can see, how do you want to offer your availability to this for this event type? You can use an existing schedule if you already have, or you can set custom hours. I'm just going to use existing schedule, so as you can see below, or you can also set custom hours and you can change from it. So I'm going to show you how you can add or delete a day. Okay, so you can select and unselect. I'm just going to use existing schedule. This is an important option here. Want to add time before or after event. So if you want to prepare for something, you can choose the before event option and you can increase the time. From here you can decrease it. I'm just going to leave it as it is, and now simply click on next. And as you can see, it has been saved. Okay, the meeting is ready to accept events. So that's how you can schedule. Okay, so you just need to copy this link and share it with the invitees that you want to schedule the meeting with. So as you can see, our meeting has been scheduled. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video beneficial. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. See you soon. Have a good day.